There's a new food hall in South Orange County in the seaside town of San Clemente. The Miramar Food Hall just opened of June of 2026, and here on opening day, I'm gonna show you inside. So as we head inside the food hall, I think it's important for you to have a sense of place as to where this is. This is located just 2 blocks from San Clemente's North Beach, so really close to the sand. We got some nice tables out here with some ocean views, and we head inside. The food hall part is mostly the restaurants, and then the seating mostly outside, although there are a few seats in here, but not many. Most of it's outdoor seating. Okay, let's check out the restaurants. We've got Rolled Up San Clemente. What do they specialize in here? They specialize in kind of sushi rolls. And they've also got some Spam musubi here in the warmer. There are 2 bars. One of them is an indoor bar. Right here, there is also an outdoor bar that we'll see on the outside. The indoor bar is called La Buena Vida. Next to them, we've got the Hen House with Nashville hot chicken. How much is it going to cost you? The Sammy is $13 for the Nashville hot chicken. Next to them, we've got the pita. What does the pita specialize in? Well, I don't know. The menu's kind of hard to find. It's like on the table, but Mediterranean style pitas. Build your bowls, pita wraps, soups, and salads. Next door, we've got El Puerto street tacos. Looks like someone's waiting to maybe pick up their food here. Some fries and some wraps. How much does taco cost you? Just about $5 for a carne asada taco, aqua frescas. Across the way, we've got Thai food at Graciously Thai. Salads, fried rice, Thai curry, Thai noodles. Next door is the Lobster Lab, lobster and more. Lobster roll, normal size, $30. Lobster bisque, caviar, Cali rolls. Across the way, we've got Cosmos Burgers. The basic burger here, $13. Better Mac, it's got one with Better Mac sauce. It's the Better Big Mac, $15. It's All Rice. This place specializes in fried rice. There we go. Let's take a look here. They got big pictures. I like this. Every one of these basically just has a menu with pictures. Well, some have pictures. Some just have menus. We've got Drunken Dragon, K-Town, San Clemente Surf and Turf right up there with a Maine lobster tail, prime filet mignon, and garlic butter. That sounds tasty. What's on the other side? Other side here we have La Vida San Diego. Looks like some healthy foods here. Some bowls, some wraps, some sandwiches, and toasts on the menu. Get your kale Caesar salad. Sidelines over here for some fancy sandwiches, Italian sandwiches, burgers, grilled cheese, French fries, cheesesteak, pulled hammy. Back this way, we have a pizza spot. This is Moto Pizza with some kind of like long style pizzas. We can see the long style pizzas up here. Hi there, good, how about yourself? Good. Got shrimp pizzas, pepperoni pizzas. Next door, there's something that looks like it's coming soon. I don't think this one's quite open yet. Share Love, Hope, and Pizza. Here we've got Immersion Coffee, that in addition to coffee also has some desserts in here. Chia pudding, banana pudding, carrot cake, tres leches cake. There's an onigiri spot over here with Japanese onigiri. Cheapest ones are going to be $6. Actually, they all look like they're $5.99. There's a breakfast sandwich place that I don't know if they're open or just coming soon or not open now because it's dinner time. Egg and Out. Restrooms are downstairs, down here. This building used to be a theater and a bowling alley here in San Clemente. Opened in 1938 originally, and on June 18th, 2026, opened as this food hall. So this is the seating area right here. It's basically on Avenida Pico and Pacific Coast Highway as those two intersect. You can see opening day, pretty busy. not a lot of places to sit, but that's good. This place is off to a good start already. We've got some televisions out here so you can watch the games, maybe the FIFA World Cup. There is the bar back over here. This is the second bar, so this is the outdoor bar. This one, pretty popular today. And I guess if you don't find any drinks that you want here, then you can pick something up at the 7-Eleven right across the way. I I decided to try Sidelines. This is the sandwich place that originally started as a food truck serving the Marines at Camp Pendleton. I got the Tippy steak sandwich. This is their version of a Philly cheesesteak for $18. I got the Tippy dip sauce on the side for another $5. They describe this as basically everything that's in the cheesesteak in a soup. You can dip it in and then drink it as a soup afterwards. The sandwich, really quite good. It was really tender, high quality meat, nice and juicy, toasted bun. I really like the sandwich, and it was pretty tasty to put it in that dip. And then for the side, I opted for their German potato salad. The owner's mom is from Germany, and so this was actually a really good potato salad that had apples in it. Really a nice, tasty combination. So fellow explorers, if your travels bring you to San Clemente, definitely check out the new Miramar Food Hall for some tasty eats, though do be prepared to sit outside if it's busy, since there's only a few seats inside, so probably good to come here on a good weather day. If your travels are bringing you to San Clemente, you might enjoy checking out my favorite walk in San Clemente from the pier through the downtown. You'll find that video right here. Links also in the description below. As usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next video.